Limo, Texas home tours continues today in Haslet, Texas. We're looking at this 2015 3,001 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. So welcome in. Right, so you can see the grand entrance right here. And on your immediate right, you have the first bedroom here. Double closet. So this is the first bedroom, and it has its own. So you get the bathroom here. All right. Got a linen closet there, and then you do have an office space here. All right, and then you do have another storage. And access to the garage. To the garage. Alright. And now let's enter into the living area. Beautiful wooden floors, fireplace. Get your dining area right there. Got your kitchen. Gas stove. The laundry area here, and your pantry right there. Alright, so that is downstairs. Give you another view for the entrance, and another view for the kitchen area. So beautiful kitchen area, and then master bedroom here. Space, 2 big windows, double doors, the tub, the shower, the double sink. Alright, got a walk-in closet, space. It's the view. From the living area, and we're gonna go upstairs. Beautiful stairs. Alright, you got a game room here. You do have your Alright. Then the other 2 bedrooms on this side. So bedroom 1 right there. Then bedroom 2 right there. You got your closet there. Got your sink. Same thing here. Okay. You have your walk-in closet here. Alright, so that's upstairs. Let's go look at the back of this house. When you do have your half bathroom here. So this is the view of the back. You have your grill there. All right, so this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. We are in Haslet, Texas today. If you're in market for a home,